Hey everyone! Can you see my eye makeup which I have already done in my right eye? How elegant and pretty it looks. It's very easy to create. Without any further delay, let's begin the video. Before that, I'm Sana and you're watching Sana Vogue. After a long time, I'm making this full video. So yeah, let's begin. First step is concealing. Concealing your eyelid is very important to keep your eyeshadows longer and it's easily blendable. Concealer is from Maybelline Fit Me shade Deep 40. Actually it's lightweight and it's exact shade of my skin tone. I'm creating a subtle eye look so using my skin tone concealer, otherwise go with a lighter shade to pop your eyes. And set with compact or loose powder, that totally on you. For eyeshadows application, going to use these two fluffy brushes. For crease, I'm going to use this small fluffy brush. Now I'm taking this brick red in beauty glazed palette. Today I'm going to use my beauty glazed palette only. Just do smooth blending on crease. That's it for crease. Now for outer V corner, I'm going to use hematite and black. First I'm going to apply hematite and now taking black very little amount to give sharp edges. The black is very pigmented in this palette, so removing excess. Just place it on V and then blend. I think this had gone darker. To lighten up using this grey shade. That's it. That's it for matte shades. To clean up using same concealer and blending. Now come to the shimmer parts. Taking this sunset shade, shimmers always apply with your fingers, it gives a great finish. Now taking this sunset shade and applying in my inner lids, this shimmer shade is very subtle so building up little by little. Now taking the glow kit shade and place it in my middle lid to give pop eyes. It's full on golden shimmer so it gives pop on your middle of the lids. Now giving final touch with blending crease with same shadow palettes which I used before, brick red, and slowly taking brush in lower lid just as it is. No more extra products in the brush. That's it with this palette. Now for eyeliner, here I am using Dazzler Eternals Gel Eyeliner, one of the best gel eyeliner. I have already reviewed about this product. You can check it out in my page. I really like this Dazzler Eternals Gel Eyeliner. Today I am not going with a bold wing, so making very thin wing. And I am using same eyeliner as a kajal. So no lashes, just gonna apply this mascara from Sugar Pop. Just shake and apply, this will give a density look. That's it guys, how it's looking. Tell me in the comment section, easy and subtle eye look. Hope you like it. This is my Instagram ID, you can check it out from there also. Thank you, bye bye, see you soon.